Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, March 28th, and we're going to take a look at the S&P yet again. Now, we had another short set up in the S&P today. It played out really, really well. This was the biggest trade we had today. We also had shorts in Apple on a channel breakout, and we also had shorts in Reddit that I'm still in right now. But with that being said, S&P, the breakdown that we had here was well-defined support on a 30-minute price chart. So we come down to 57.10 last night, pivoted off of it, hit it again this morning, bounced back up off it, give us our second pivot. So as long as we have two pivots, we have well-defined support. And the trigger for the trade was the break through that support. Now, once we started to accelerate and everything was starting to break down, we also had our target based on our 240-minute price chart. And our target was 56.50. Now, obviously, we've broken through that and gone quite a bit further than 56.50. But on the day, that's what we were looking for. We ended up hitting that. That's where I closed everything on my S&P short. But overall, it played out really, really well. And I do think we could potentially see more downside next week. And the reason I think we can see more downside is because of the weekly chart. So we had this channel breakout coming off the bearish divergence, obviously, a couple months ago, or at the beginning of this month, I should say. We now bounced back up and retested that resistance, that support now as resistance earlier this week, and then rejected that and have come back down. So I wouldn't be surprised to see another test of that 55.50 area next week, or 55.60. Come down there and tag that next week and see if we can get through those lows, because that's where we bounced last time. So if we can get through those lows, we could see this thing turn back around. Or if we cannot get through those lows, we could see this thing turn back around. But if we can, next trend line would be down at about 5,500, and then we get through there and we're coming all the way down to like 53 area for the next big support on a pivot low. So keep an eye on it. Overall, pretty bearish day today. We had several good opportunities that played out, like I said, with Apple. We also had Meta with the rejection of 600 that played out really well, but not a bad day. Again, only open position I have right now that I'm swinging at the moment, or at least planning on swinging at the moment, is Reddit. I'm short Reddit based on a support break here on the dailies, and we want to see this continue to. I want to see it close today below 107. As long as we close below 107, looking for a push down to 100 early next week, and then potentially down to like the 90 level for a half a gap fill. But that's it for today. If you want to get these trades, you can always join us in the Basecamp Trading Live Trading Room. Just go to basecamptrading.com. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, everybody, happy trading and be safe out there. Markets are kind of wild right now.